integrating 3D printing into the design process. First, design concept. Mechanical engineers leverage 3D CAD software to create digital models, exploring and refining their design ideas before committing to physical production. Second, rapid prototyping. 3D printing enables the quick creation of physical prototypes, allowing for rapid testing and iteration, shortening the overall product development cycle. Third, production ready parts. Once the design is finalized, 3D printing can be used to produce high quality customized parts and components ready for integration into the final product. Challenges and limitation of 3D printing in mechanical engineering. First, resolution and surface finish. While 3D printing offers immersive design flexibility, the layer by layer nature of the process can result in visible surface imperfections requiring post-processing technique to achieve the desired level of smoothness and precision. Second, material limitation. Although the range of 3D printing materials continues to expand, certain mechanical properties such as strength, durability, and thermal resistance may still be limited compared to traditional manufacturing methods depending on the application. Then, scalability and production volumes. For high volume production, traditional manufacturing techniques may still be more cost effective than printing, especially for simpler standardized parts. Advancement and future trends in 3D printing. Increased printed speed, advancement in 3D printing technologies are leading to faster print times, reducing the production bottleneck and enable the rapid manufacture of complex parts and components. Multi-material printing, the ability to combine different materials in a single print, such as reinforcing plastics with carbon fibers or embedding electronics, will unlock new possibilities for integrated mechanical system. Hybrid manufacturing, the integration of 3D printing with traditional manufacturing techniques such as CNC machining or injection molding can leverage the strength of both approaches for optimal part quality and production efficiency. Intelligent design tools. The continued development of advanced CAD software and optimization algorithm will empower mechanical engineers to design ever more complex and functionality integrated parts, pushing the boundaries of what possible with 3D printing.